Coastal Kids Home Care in Salinas is renovating its headquarters and expanding services. The nonprofit provides home health care to kids in all 3 Central Coast counties. Action News 8 reporter Lauren Seaver shows us how a large donation is helping the organization serve even more pediatric patients.
You help me? For kids like Cyrus Farza, a physical therapy session with Trish Krall is hard work, but also a lot of fun.
Go! He'll even pick up a new skill like in a session, and it makes me emotional.
Cyrus's mom, Sophia Wong, attributes his success to weekly and-home physical and occupational therapy sessions with Coastal Kids Home Care. He started with the nonprofit about a year ago.
Coming out of the NICU, knowing he had hypotonia and not really knowing what that entailed. We're just so lucky to have the team because it's felt like you have someone kind of guiding you along the way.
From learning to roll over, sitting, and now working on walking, members of Coastal Kids Home Care are with him every step of the way, like they have been with 11,000 other kids for the last 20 years.
Over the 20 years that we've been here, we have expanded our services quite outside of a normal home health agency. The amount of growth that we have had since then is astronomical.
Margie Mayfield started the organization in 2005. The former pediatric nurse knew what children living with serious illness needed most: to be home.
I really felt like children deserved the best health care and that decisions in the building should be what was best for children and their families.
So she created Coastal Kids Home Care, which is still the state's only nonprofit pediatric home health agency. The organization provides 4 programs: in-home therapy, counseling, shift nursing, and palliative care. With a staff of nearly 200, the nonprofit has provided more than 100,000 home health visits and is now expanding its headquarters. Mayfield says it's all possible thanks to Central Coast Alliance for Health and local donors like Silicon Valley billionaire TJ Rodgers.
What we've done is we've taken over the second half of one side of the building, and we've added 3 more counseling rooms. We've given our finance office a much larger space than what they were in. And then we'd like to set some areas downstairs and correct the cracks in the pavement and stuff and make it a really nice, clean outside area.
And one of their most notable changes is their new physical therapy facility.
When I signed on in 2017, my dream was to have a treatment space where we could invite families that needed a little bit either more space or a place to explore stairs, a slide, just give kids the opportunity to try new things in a safe space.
The expansion of their facility comes at a time when the organization itself is expanding. The nonprofit currently serves kids and teens from King City all the way to Mountain View, but their plan is to expand up to San Mateo, Alameda, and Contra Costa, so they can meet the growing demand for care all over Northern California and help more kids like Cyrus get the therapy and healthcare services they deserve.
Each step, it's kind of you have this feeling of will he be able to do this? And then, then he, with the help of Coastal Kids, he got it all down.
It's always sad when it's time to discharge because they're ready to be off on their own, but it tells me that I've done a good job because they're ready to go out and play. They don't need my help anymore.
Good job. In Salinas, Lauren Seaver, KSBW, Action News 8.
Coastal Kids Home Care is hosting its annual fundraiser this weekend. Touch a Truck is at the Salinas Sports Complex this Sunday from noon until 4.